Okay guys, so this is the second part of the video on how to repair this Sony Ericsson. Um, this is not a very clear video. On part 1 you saw me opening the mobile phone, disassembling, and you've seen that about here I had to solder a connector, but that was way too tiny for you to be able to see what I was doing, so I've turned the camera off. In this video now it's just to show you that I've finally managed to solder the power button in place. Basically what I did was I've assembled it all together, put all the pieces back together, just I inserted the memory card, put all the screws back in its place, everything in with the connector solder. I just put here a piece of double-sided tape to keep this in place because this was out of place. It's working fine now. When you press the buttons you can feel it working inside. So let's test it. We'll just put the battery in and put the cover on. Hopefully this would fit, yeah, like this. And now let's see if it works. Well, I can feel it vibrating. Let's see. Yep, it seems to be working. Ha! Cool! Basically I just soldered the 4 points on the power button, which was unsoldered, and here you go. It's working. Yep, it's working fine. Well, let me check the camera. Camera. Working. Now video, on video mode. Working. This is my workbench. Let's stop it. Let's go back and test this button again. Whoa. Look it. Yep, it seems to be working fine. Turn it off. And there you go. Done. Basically this was simply all I had to do was to solder the power button on its place again, because it was out of place. Somehow it got unsoldered, but despite that there was no science behind this. Okay, so this is one mobile phone which is working again. Okay, see ya.